In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use GearUp Booster. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to gearupbooster.com and you want to get the application on your Windows computer, on your console, or for your mobile devices. From there, just open up the application and your games will automatically be detected on the GearUp Booster right here. Now in my case, let's say that I want to boost this specific game, so you can just click on it and then you want to start by logging in your account. From there, the application will now start loading in, and right after, it will now automatically boost our game. Now we also have additional settings right here that we must configure, so just head over to the three dots or the hamburger icon, click on settings, and from here you want to make sure to start the application on startup, and you want to click on start boosting on startup. So the GearUp Booster will automatically boost the application when we turn on our devices, on mobile devices, computer, and consoles. And from there, that's basically it. Now I have multiple games once again. I have Chivalry, GTA 5, I have Monster Hunter, and more. You can just click on your specific game and there you have it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.